Welcome back to InvestoSphere, the place where we help you unlock real financial freedom. If you have ever dreamed of earning a steady income online without having to clock into a 9-to-5 job, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most powerful, beginner-friendly strategies to make money online, building affiliate blogs that can generate at least $100 a day. Imagine waking up every morning to find out that while you slept, your blog earned you money. That is not just a fantasy. It is a real possibility for anyone willing to learn and put in the effort. This video will cover everything you need to know to start, grow, and scale an affiliate blog that consistently brings in passive income. We're going to break down every important step from finding a niche, building your blog, creating content, driving traffic, promoting affiliate products, and optimizing your earnings. So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and stick with me till the end, because this video could be the first step toward transforming your financial future. Let's get started. Part 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. Before we jump into building a blog, it is critical to fully understand what affiliate marketing is. In simple terms, affiliate marketing is the process of promoting other people's or company's products and earning a commission for every sale you make through your unique affiliate link. You are essentially the bridge between a customer and a product. Instead of creating your own product, you focus on recommending existing products and earning a share of the revenue. Affiliate marketing is powerful because you do not have to deal with product creation, customer service, inventory, or shipping. Your main job is to drive targeted traffic to affiliate offers and let the merchants handle the rest. Successful affiliate marketing depends heavily on trust. When people trust your recommendations, they are more likely to click on your links and make a purchase. That is why building a blog is such an effective strategy. It allows you to establish authority and trust over time. Part 2. Why choose a blog for affiliate marketing? You might wonder why a blog is such a great platform for affiliate marketing. There are several reasons. First, blogs are long-lasting. Once you publish a blog post, it can continue to attract visitors for years through search engines like Google. Second, blogs allow you to provide in-depth information. You can create detailed guides, reviews, and tutorials that genuinely help people and naturally integrate your affiliate links. Third, blogs help you build an email list. You can capture your visitors' emails, nurture relationships through valuable content, and promote products later. Finally, blogs are flexible. You can monetize them through multiple channels besides affiliate marketing, such as display ads, sponsored content, and selling your own products later on. A well-built blog is an online asset that appreciates in value over time. Part 3. How to choose a profitable niche. Choosing the right niche is absolutely critical to your success. A niche is a specific topic or category you will create content about. To choose a profitable niche for an affiliate blog, follow these principles. Passion meets profit. Pick something you're interested in, but also something that has proven demand. Evergreen demand. Focus on topics that are not seasonal. Health, wealth, relationships, hobbies, technology, and education are examples. Affiliate program availability. Make sure there are plenty of affiliate products you can promote in your niche. Low to medium competition. Avoid niches dominated by massive authority sites. Instead, look for gaps where you can provide unique value. Audience size. Ensure your niche has a large enough audience so you can grow your blog over time. Some profitable niche ideas include fitness equipment, personal finance tools, home improvement gadgets, pet care products, and online education courses. Spend a good amount of time researching and brainstorming your niche. It sets the foundation for everything you will build. Part 4. Setting up your affiliate blog. Once you have chosen your niche, it is time to set up your blog. Here is a simple step-by-step process. 1. Pick a domain name. Choose a domain name that is brandable, short, and relevant to your niche. 2. Get reliable hosting. Sign up for a reputable hosting provider. Bluehost, SiteGround, and Hostinger are good options for beginners. 3. Install WordPress. Use WordPress as your content management system. It is free, flexible, and beginner-friendly. 4. Choose a professional theme. Pick a clean, fast, and mobile-responsive theme. Astra, GeneratePress, and Cadence are excellent choices. 5. Install essential plugins. Add plugins for SEO, security, speed optimization, and backup. Recommended ones include Rank Math SEO, WP Rocket, and Updraft Plus. 6. Set up key pages. Create important pages like Home, About, Contact, and Privacy Policy. Now your basic blog structure is ready. Next, it is time to focus on content creation. Part 5. Creating high-quality content. Content is the lifeblood of your affiliate blog. The better your content, the more traffic you will attract, and the more sales you will generate. Here's how to create content that works. 1. Focus on search intent. Understand what users are really looking for when they search for a topic. Provide complete, helpful answers. 2. Write long-form content. Aim for detailed posts that thoroughly cover a topic. Guides, tutorials, and reviews should ideally be 2,000 words or more. 3. Naturally insert affiliate links. Do not spam your posts with affiliate links. Insert them naturally where they make sense. 4. Use clear formatting. Break up text with subheadings, bullet points, short paragraphs, and relevant images. 5. Update regularly. Keep your content fresh by updating old posts with new information and better recommendations. Types of blog posts you can create include product reviews, comparison articles, top 10 lists, how-to guides, and case studies. Remember, quality always beats quantity. Part 6. How to find the best affiliate programs. Now that you're ready to insert affiliate links into your blog posts, the next question is, where do you find the best affiliate programs? Here is a step-by-step guide. 1. Research direct affiliate programs. Many companies run their own affiliate programs directly through their websites. If you already know some brands in your niche, check their websites for affiliate program links, usually found in the footer. 2. Use affiliate networks. Affiliate networks bring together thousands of products across multiple industries. Some of the most popular affiliate networks include Share A Sale, CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, Impact, Rakuten Marketing, Amazon Associates, ClickBank for digital products. These networks make it easy to find products, track your commissions, and manage your links. 3. Evaluate the programs carefully. Before you promote any product, make sure the commission rate is worth your effort. The product is high quality. The brand has a strong reputation. The cookie duration is long enough to earn commissions even if the buyer takes time to purchase. Always remember, promoting low-quality products just for a high commission can damage your blog's trust and authority. Focus on value first. Part 7. Mastering SEO for affiliate blogs. If you want your blog to generate consistent passive traffic without paying for ads, you need to understand search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO helps your blog rank higher in Google search results. Here are key areas to master. 1. Keyword research. Find keywords that your audience is searching for. Use tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or even free tools like Ubersuggest. Look for keywords with decent search volume but low to medium competition. 2. On-page SEO. Optimize your blog posts by including your target keyword in the title, URL, first paragraph, and subheadings. Writing compelling meta descriptions. Using internal links to connect your related posts. Optimizing images with proper alt text. 3. Technical SEO. Make sure your blog loads fast, is mobile-friendly, and has an easy-to-navigate structure. Install an SEO plugin like Rank Math or Yoast SEO to help guide you. 4. Link building. Get other websites to link to your blog. You can do this through guest posting, collaborations, or simply creating highly valuable content that others want to reference. Remember, SEO is a long-term game that IT might take months to see results, but once the traffic starts flowing, it can be incredibly rewarding. Part 8. How to drive traffic beyond SEO. While SEO is powerful, relying on it alone can slow down your growth in the beginning. Here are other ways to drive traffic to your affiliate blog. 1. Pinterest marketing. Pinterest is a visual search engine. By creating eye-catching pins that link to your blog posts, you can drive significant traffic without spending on ads. 2. Facebook groups. Join niche-related Facebook groups. Share helpful advice and link back to your blog posts where relevant. 3. Quora and Reddit. Answer questions related to your niche on Quora and Reddit. Provide value first, then subtly direct users to your blog. 4. Email marketing. Capture visitor emails through a free resource or newsletter and stay connected. Your email list can become a major traffic source over time. 5. YouTube. If you're comfortable, create simple videos summarizing your blog content and link back to your site. Diversifying your traffic sources builds resilience and reduces your dependency on any one platform. Part 9. How to write high-converting affiliate content. Not all blog posts are created equal. Some posts will barely convert readers into buyers, while others can become major revenue generators. Here is how to write content that converts. 1. Focus on the reader's problem. Address a specific pain point or desire your audience has. Show them how the product you recommend is the solution. 2. Build trust. Be honest. Mention both pros and cons of a product. Readers can tell when you are being genuine versus just trying to make a sale. 3. Use strong calls to action. Tell your readers exactly what you want them to do. For example, click here to check the latest price on Amazon. 4. Include comparisons. Comparison posts like product A versus product B often have very high conversion rates because readers are ready to make a decision. 5. Highlight benefits, not just features. Explain how the product will make their life better, not just what it does technically. Effective affiliate content feels helpful, not sleazy. Part 10. How to scale your affiliate blog to $100 per day. Building a blog that earns $100 a day takes time, but once you hit that milestone, scaling it becomes much easier. Here are the strategies to scale. 1. Publish more content. The more quality posts you have, the more chances you have to rank for multiple keywords. 2. Outsource content creation. Hire freelance writers to help you produce content faster once your blog starts earning. 3. Optimize top-performing posts. Update your best articles to keep them ranking high. Improve content. Add new affiliate links and refresh statistics. 4. Expand to related niches. Once you dominate one niche, expand into related topics and broaden your audience. 5. Introduce new income streams. Consider adding display ads with networks like Mediavine or Ezoic. Launch digital products like ebooks or courses based on your niche. Scaling is about multiplying what is already working. Congratulations! You have just completed one of the most detailed and action-packed guides on building an affiliate blog that can realistically make $100 a day. Remember, success does not come overnight. That IT requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the reward, waking up every day knowing your blog is working for you, is absolutely worth it. If you found this video valuable and you want more deep dive tutorials on building passive income streams, make sure to subscribe to InvestoSphere. Hit that like button to show your support and leave a comment below telling me which part of this process you're going to implement first. Also, I would love to know, what is your biggest challenge right now in starting an affiliate blog? Is it finding a niche, setting up the blog, creating content, or something else? Share your thoughts below. I personally read every single comment, and I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video where we dive even deeper into building your financial freedom. Stay consistent, stay focused, and never stop learning.